subject is what is life and what is soul. First of all, we must understand that you, me, and each and everybody is a sperm. Crores of sperms are in semen. Semen means the secretion of male when they are doing sex. So one sperm actually fertilizes. First of all, it runs and then fertilizes egg of a female. I am talking about womb. Through vagina it goes. And when one sperm becomes fertilized, that time you have to understand a sperm means only a life. That is called in Bengali pran bayu. Why bayu? Because it cannot be seen. Pran bayu. The life, existence of life in a sperm. So when that sperm becomes fertilized and in a womb, a female's abdomen, it becomes to increase like a flesh and blood, assemblance of flesh and blood. After approx sometime maybe 48 days or 50 days or 40 days, soul enters into that flesh and blooded body. And that time, that soul tries to get formation of that assemblance of flesh and blood. Suppose that is a round figure flesh and blood. And when soul enters, that soul will try to get the formation based on that soul's past birth karma. And it will be done automatically. And then, if that soul's karma was not good, in that case, sometimes a female, a woman, cannot give birth of that child. Sometimes it happens, a child dies in mother's womb inside. Sometimes that child becomes destroyed through abortion, etc. And sometimes a child comes out when a mother is running through a train or wherever. Suddenly it comes out. So a soul will be landed in earth properly, and it will, that soul with that flesh and blooded body and with own karma's formation, because a soul is being formed by own last birth's karma. That time, the formation increases with soul. So when we die, that doesn't mean our soul is dying. Actually, when life is gone, so that body usually called dead body. But that soul, after death, sometimes it thinks that I am alive. It starts to find out own body. Where is my body? First of all, that soul doesn't understand why they are crying. I am here. It may be when life, that pranvayu, went, and that soul is sleeping. And those relatives or people has already burnt out that body. But that soul was sleeping that time. When that soul will open own eyes, that soul will understand, will be unable to understand, I am not alive, I have lost my body. So that time, some people usually watch and say ghost. But that soul is many times, you can say 14 days, that soul usually tries to find out own body, tries to take food, tries to take water, but because of no body, that soul has no body. This is the reason that soul tries to enter to another body so that that soul can take food and taste and take water. So life doesn't mean soul, and soul doesn't mean life. Existence of life is everywhere. Whenever a tree gives fruits, suppose 50 fruits, and you are getting 50 seeds. But those 50 seeds, if they cannot get right, perfect soil and water and nourishment, you can say from one tree, 20 seeds are getting perfect soil and water. In that case, from one tree, you are getting 20 another lives. But soul cannot enter those lives, because that is tree. Soul means existence of life. Just like fungus, if it would be a wooden object and it is weighty, in that case, sometimes it happens, fungus usually grow up. Fungus takes birth, and that is called sometimes mushroom. But mushroom is one kind of fungus. Algae, one kind of fungus. Algae, shawla type. So that there is only life. There is no soul. Life is everywhere. Pranvayu is everywhere. One pranvayu can give birth and many pranvayus. So soul and life, both are different. I'll try to make you understand in Bengali and Hindi also in another video. Okay, be happy, be blessed, take care, and as I told you, Saturn can give problem for February and March. Being astrologer, I am with tantra, with palmistry. I am here more than 17 years. So if you need any kind of counseling, you have to send your database through WhatsApp, and after that we can consult. God bless.